Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, going to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On this video, we got that what? Thing bam.
Uh-oh.
So if you don't know about these, I am planning a trip to Florida, Universal Studios. So I do need a comfortable shoe and to, walk around the park all day. So I know these been out for a while, but I haven't got one. So I want to try these out before I head on down to Florida. So you seen these Nike box, my size 10. Label reads Nike Zoom Vomero 5, worn blue, football gray. So you already know what this colorway is. Actually, I got these for under retail, $85 on StockX. These regular retail at $160, so I can't complain. You already know, bam,
Mm-mm.
you see that? A UNC, UNC colors, StockX. They got the other shoe. So can't wait to try these on feet. I heard that these are very comfortable shoes.
Mm.
Again, I haven't rocked these yet. And I do not have any Vomeros in my collection right now, so these will be the first ones. Uh, Again, I heard a lot of good things about this shoe. They say it's very comfortable shoe. It does have that Nike Zoom in the midfoot and forefoot. So if you don't know about Nike Zoom, basically it's like a little pod that's inside the midsole, and it provides a comfort. And overall, this is a very simple and clean shoe. This is considered one of the popular shoes at the moment. Of course, Nike was going to be making 1,000 colors of these, so it will get saturated very quickly. But let me know if you already have these or any color Vomero 5s in your collection, sneakerheads. Again, this is my first one. I'm not going to go into too big of a detail with these because, by now everyone should already have seen these already, but just want to let you know I got them in hand. This is my first ones, and I can't wait to rock these when I'm in Florida. I will go ahead and try these on to see if I can actually wear them all day long. Because believe it or not, even though some shoes are supposed to be comfortable, but for me, as I'm getting older, like I said, some shoes just hurt my feet. But I usually don't have a
Mm.
problem with Nikes. I usually can wear them all day long. So these should be fine. So what do you think about these, my brother?
It's a clean shoe, man. It's a clean shoe. It looks comfortable. I like hey, like with me, I'm always looking at how can you flip those shoestrings. Maybe find that blue, that Tar
Yes.
Heel blue shoestring to flip it shoe, make it pop even more, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I'm liking that. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. But they look like a nice, comfortable walking shoe.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.